Where's your dishwasher?
We don't have one, just put it in the sink.
Y'all don't have a dishwasher?
I mean, we have one, but it's restoring toppers. Dishwashers waste too much water.
Hand washing dishes waste more water.
What?
Yeah, our moms lied to us. Dishwashers can save more than 100 gallons of water a week.
Don't say that.
Dishes cleaned in the dishwasher even have less bacteria than hand washed dishes.
Please don't say that.
Hand washing dishes isn't better. But okay.
Wait. Put it in the dishwasher.
Myself talking to the moon, trying to get to you.